Hey guys, welcome back to Position Well and happy 2024. Today we're going to start the year off with a prosperity and positive energy simmer pot. Some may do black eyed peas, I do simmer pots. Let's go.
First, we're going to slice up the lemon, which flavor profile represents brightness, joy, and positive energy. And I am welcoming all of that into 2024. Second is our orange, and in many cultures, oranges represent good luck, fortune, and wealth. Yeah, let's sprinkle that in too. And then our grapefruit, not only is it going to represent a rich color, but it also represents luxury and opulence. And baby, I need that in 2024. And then last is our lavender. Lavender is tranquil, it's a refreshing scent, and it represents peace. To start our simmer pot, we're going in with 32 ounces of water like so, and then we're going to bring it up to a boil. And once it's ready for us, we're going to drop in our lemon, which represents positive energy, and its aromatic profile is fresh and bright. Next, we're going in with our good fortune oranges, which promote wealth, and I'm all for that in 2024. And then we're going to bring in the opulence and the luxury with our grapefruit. And let's add in some tranquility and peace with our lavender. That looks amazing, and the lavender smells even better. Now, because I love for my house to smell clean, I'm going in with that fresh linen, stir it up, and then put the cover on, and your house is going to thank you.